Hi guys, we received this really nice wall sconce with glass shade for event purposes, and I think they're really nice. They are really elegant. They come very well protected with lots of foam, stuff like that. It comes everything you need to install it. Okay, this is one of the collection parts. I'm gonna take first everything out, and let's see the shade. Okay, it's really nice. It's white. This is the other one. They come both protected with bubble wrap, which is really nice. So these are the wall fixtures. So let's go ahead and see if it comes anything else. That's all. Okay. So let's go ahead and first assemble them, and then we're gonna install them upon the wall. And here we got the installation instructions. So let's go ahead and start. So now that it's nighttime, they look really nice. As you see, they are really easy to assemble them and install them. They are really nice. They have this art deco kind of like style, which I find quite nice. And I like the combination of gold, white, and black, but like a matte black. So they're really nice, and I will recommend them. So yeah.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.